Formoa 010 is a single component hybrid polymer joint sealant that can be matched to any colour. It has been developed for applications in a wide range of industries where an exact colour-matched seal-oil bond is required, with no diminution in performance when exposed to extreme conditions and demanding environments. Formoa 010 has a skin-over time of 16 minutes and a maximum open time of 55 minutes. It is a bespoke sealant that comes in 290ml cartridges or bulk options. With already more than 500 colours available, your colour could be next. It is colour matched to any colour, it has high UV stability and it's easy to use. It has antimicrobial options available, good chemical resistance and a long open time. It can cost more than standard Formoa products, it will have a minimum order quantity of 48 units, it can be more difficult to tool up than silicone. Is Formoa 010 a good sealant for you? If you're looking for a high quality sealant that is durable in harsh conditions and requires a bespoke matching colour, Formoa 010 will be a good option for you. If you want a multi-purpose adhesive sealant or you want a higher strength structural adhesive, we advise looking at other products in the range. For more information about Formoa 010, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.